So in this video, we're going to be putting together the Nexgrill Charcoal Grill and Smoker. This is the first time that I'm going to be attempting to put it together, so I'm going to be figuring it out, and hopefully it will save some headaches for you guys if you purchase this grill. These are the tools that you're going to need to put the grill together. It's very standard for you to usually need a screwdriver and a wrench. However, what I did not like is that you're going to need this special 3mm tool, which it did not bring. Let's get started. Okay, so step number 26, that's when you're gonna need that special little 3mm tool to put the top part of the smoker together with the bottom. So this is it, guys. This is the Nexgrill Charcoal Grill and Smoker. It was definitely more difficult to put together than I anticipated. Definitely read over the instructions. Make sure you have every single tool, especially the 3mm little special tool that's in the instruction guide. I was able to put the smoker box together, but I do need to go back and tighten it as soon as I get that little tool. But this is it, guys. This is the grill. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and it's been very helpful. I'm gonna be trying to upload another video in the coming weeks, maybe do my first barbecue with it, probably a couple burgers just to try it out.